Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on pop-up folder window on your Samsung Galaxy device. So pop-up folder window allows you to open in a floating pop-up view instead of full screen mode. So as you can see, I've opened this folder here on my home screen and it opens up in a pop-up view. So this makes accessing apps faster and less disruptive, especially when multitasking. So you can quickly open apps without leaving your current screen, creating a smoother and more efficient workflow. So let me show you how to turn this feature on. So first, you want to go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, open up the Home Up module. Now here, turn the feature on and then tap on Home Screen. Scroll all the way down until you see Folders. Here you need to go ahead and turn on the pop-up folder. Now go ahead and tap on pop-up folder, and here you can go ahead and choose you want small folders, medium folders, or large. So I've opted for the large. If you scroll down, you have variable size. So the pop-up size will adjust to the number of items. So if you have 9 items, it'll show you a pop-up folder with 9 items with no space on the left or right. If you go ahead and turn this off, this is what you'll see. So you have your icons here, but you have plenty of space here. So if I go ahead and turn on variable size, you'll see that that pop-up folder will adapt to how many icons there are on screen. Next, you have the position central fixation, so you can open the folder in the center. So if I go ahead and look at my pop-up folder, it'll open there. However, if you want to go ahead and make it open in the center, turn the feature on. Next, you have the hide edit bar. So this hides the folder editing function. And next, you can remove the blur. So blur is removed from your background. So if I go ahead and turn this off, open my folder, you'll see that the folder is not see-through. And it'll basically show you that folder there. If I turn the blur on, you'll see that the folder is now see-through and it gives like a blur effect. So let me show you how to create this as well. So here we'll use these icons to create a new folder. So we'll go ahead and drop it on one. And as you can see, it's already created. So just go ahead and drag it. And then now you can go ahead and give it a name, and your pop-up folder is now available here. You can go ahead and long press on it to enlarge it so you can see what icons are there in your folder. To enlarge this folder, to make it into a pop-up folder, tap on it, and this will open up in a pop-up view. So you have faster app access, it improves your multitasking, you have less screen interruption, you have a cleaner user experience, and this is great for productivity. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on a pop-up folder window on your Samsung Galaxy device.